Okay, here we go. Project Condor is live. I'm going to show a quick demo on what's up with the registration. What's happening is when the user comes here and they go to the registration page, they have to sign in to get to that page. That single page registration is password protected. Username is Mulligan with a capital M, and the password is register underscore number 4 underscore capital P capital C period, and register has a capital R, so capital REGISTER underscore 4 underscore capital P capital C period. And we're going to log in and go ahead and save that. So at this point, the user is actually logged into the WordPress site. The thing is, I removed the toolbar that you would usually see on the top. So they're not really going to know that they're logged into the site. Um, and then ideally they won't be messing around in the background. But this is just a regular form here. And then I'll take a medium, and I need clubs, and I'm right-handed, and thanks for the invite. Ham-handed typing on my part. Thanks for the invite. Submit. And go. There we go. So form was sent successfully. And that goes to Isaac Simpson at Outlook. Let's double check that. At Outlook.com. So that's where that form should have gone. You can also jump over to Eventbrite, and I guess you guys have got that set up too. So that's the 2018 one. When we get the 2019 event set up, we just need to grab this link and replace it in this button. Should be good to go.